Hey, what's up? Welcome to Webdematics. In today's video, we will do a code review. In this particular video, I will go through a code and I will point out the errors and what we can do better. So in this video, we'll focus on our route structuring and all the files structuring. So here is the project ecom.test. So here is repo. I have pulled this repo and opened it up on VS Code. So first thing in the repository, what I look for is web.php because this is the entry point for all of the routes. Here we go. So first thing I see here is this die dump old code, testing related code. We should remove that. We can remove the extra spaces, just don't put spaces. And here I see we can do much better here. So the route names are not quite structured here. Add to cart, remove cart, view cart. So what we can do, we can create a cart controller. There is already cart controller, but functionality is inside product controller. So just put all related code in one controller. That will make a lot easier, because when you search for where to edit the code for cart part, whether you go to product controller or cart controller. So best practice, just put it on related controller. So in this case, we are doing CRUD on the cart, add to cart, remove, view. So it is good to have a resourceful cart controller. So let's create that. Let's comment these out for now, and we'll create a resourceful route cart. So here we are using, I think, Laravel 7, so we cannot use this Laravel 8 syntax. So we have to rely on cart controller, this old syntax. So let's go to cart controller. So here is just one method. So first step, we'll just import or copy all these methods from product controller to cart controller. So this unused method, we shouldn't comment this out, just remove that if that is not used. So these four methods, just cut it out from here, and only the product related methods will be in this controller and cart related in this controller. So this is kind of a lazy developer code review, because a lot of time senior developer also do such kind of thing. So view cart, delete cart. So view cart, we can say index, and this delete cart, we can say destroy. So as far as possible, just use the resourceful method names. So add to cart, when we add some product to cart, for now this method name is okay. And reduce quantity, when you do plus minus, I'll show this on browser in a moment. And everything else seems good to me. Now let's go to web.php, and here let's make some edit. So cart controller, here only index and destroy. So these two methods we use from cart controller resourceful naming convention. And now this delete cart and view cart, these two are already imported in cart controller. And next, add to cart, let's define this. We can say cart.add, and here also cart product ID and then add. So this looks good to me. Similarly, just cut this out and put it here. So remove item from cart, or just reduce item, cart reduce. So view cart, delete cart already covered, and cart checkout, just put it here. Cart controller checkout already good. Cart add, cart reduce, index destroy. So these more defined routes should be put above the resourceful route, because PHP script executes from top to bottom, and when PHP is trying to read for this route, when we hit on browser, it will find this and execute this. If you put this thing below here, all resourceful route, if there is any resourceful route that is matching with that route, it will execute it. so you will not get the desired result here. And yeah, another good thing to keep in mind. So I think it looks much cleaner now. So now let's go to view and blade file and just change the name accordingly. First, let's go to browser and try to load this up. So cart, I think it is now cart. Okay, so these route name are not defined. So now let's go to the cart controller and change the route name in here. So here all the commented code shouldn't be here. So we are getting cart item from session and then passing it like this into cart. Let's go here. Here just open up cart, and here on plus button cart.add, and here in app.blade we need to change app.blade cart.view. There is cart.view and cart.index. So we can do all project wise search cart.view. If there is any, we need to replace that with, so there is none. Cart.delete, yeah, none. So now it should load. There we go. So whenever we hit plus sign here, cart controller, reduce quantity, so reduce plus working, delete, get method is not support for delete. So in cart here we need to make delete form for deleting the item. So yeah, delete is also working. So it is best practice to use delete form instead of just link for delete. So in home.blade we have this cart. Just put cart.add. Okay, so we have changed everywhere. Let's refresh. Yeah, so add to cart, item added, just go to cart. Yeah, proceed to checkout. So yeah, we have this replaced this route successfully, so it looks much cleaner now. And also this view order completed, route name should be plural, orders.completed, and we should put it up here before the resourceful route. And now let's search for this and replace that, orders. So actually there are some views as well, so we cannot do like this. Just let's go and do one by one. So instead of just putting route, we need to put a name. That way it will be a lot easier. Orders.completed. So if in future we need to change a URL, we can just change the URL whatever we want, and we don't need to worry about replacing any of these files where it is being used. So redirect. Also this file should go inside this orders folder. We need to as much as possible we need to organize these. So instead of this we can rename it, just rename file. I will say this, so it is already inside orders folder, so no need to prefix it with orders. So orders, yeah, completed message, we can say completed.blade, it's totally fine. And wherever we are using completed route, orders.completed view. Let's visit to this URL and verify. Orders.completed. Yeah, working. So another thing what we can do here is just put this inside admin controller rather than just putting it inside here. So let's create a controller, make controller, and everything from here to here all goes inside admin controller. So admin dashboard controller index. All right, so looks good. And another thing, all this middleware auth, we can group them in one grouped route. So let's create a grouped route group. So prefix, we can, we don't need prefix for now. Instead of prefix, we can use middleware auth, and inside this group we can put all of these, and we can get rid of this. So I think on this route web.php file looks much cleaner right now. Hope you learned something out of this video. So I will see you on another video. In another video I will talk about similar kind of topics. So I'll see you on another video. Bye.